There are some problems in this video. Let's solve them. Calculate the mass volume percent of a 400 milliliter solution containing 2.5 moles of NaCl. Calculate the mass volume percent of a 400 milliliter solution containing 2.5 moles of NaCl. Molar masses have been given: sodium 23, chlorine 35.5. To solve this problem, we can use this formula. Percentage mass by volume equals mass of the solute in grams divided by volume of the solution in milliliters multiplied by 100. Now you can see mass of the solute should be taken in grams and volume of the solution should be taken in milliliters. Here we have been given mass of the solute in moles. Therefore, we have to convert this 2.5 moles of NaCl into grams. Therefore, first of all, we have to convert 2.5 moles of NaCl into grams. Now we have to find molar mass of NaCl. 23 plus 35.5. Then we get 58.5 grams. 1 mole of NaCl weigh 58.5 grams. That means in 1 mole of NaCl there are 58.5 grams. Then in 2.5 moles of NaCl, how many grams are there? We can find the answer in this way. 58.5 grams divided by 1 mole NaCl multiplied by 2.5 mole NaCl. 58.5 grams divided by 1 mole NaCl multiplied by 2.5 mole NaCl. We should cancel out units. Mole NaCl, mole NaCl. Then we get 146.25 grams. But this is not our main answer. Now we can substitute values to formula. I have written the formula here again. Percentage mass by volume equals mass of the solute in grams divided by volume of the solution in milliliters multiplied by 100. Mass of the solute in grams, we have found it, 146.25 grams. Volume of the solution, it has been given in our problem. It is 400 milliliters. Now we can substitute values to formula. Percentage mass by volume equals mass of the solute 146.25 grams, volume of the solution 400 milliliters multiplied by 100. Then we can find our answer by simplifying it. 36.56. Percentage mass by volume is 36.56. Now let's go to the next problem. A 225 milliliter tube of toothpaste contains 0.3% mass by volume of sodium chloride. What mass of the sodium chloride is in the tube? A 225 milliliter tube of toothpaste contains 0.3% mass by volume of sodium chloride. What mass of the sodium chloride is in the tube? As this tube contains 0.3% mass by volume of sodium chloride, every 100 milliliter of this toothpaste has 0.3 grams of sodium chloride. As this tube contains 0.3% mass by volume of sodium chloride, every 100 milliliter of toothpaste has 0.3 grams of sodium chloride. Therefore, in 100 milliliter of this toothpaste, there are 0.3 grams of sodium chloride. Then, in 225 milliliter of this toothpaste, how many grams of sodium chloride are there? We can find the answer in this way. 0.3 grams of sodium chloride divided by 100 milliliters multiplied by 225 milliliters. 0.3 grams divided by 100 milliliters multiplied by 225 milliliters. Units should be cancelled out. Unit should be cancelled out, milliliter, milliliters. By simplifying this, we can get answer 0.675 grams. But 2 decimal places are enough for our answer. Therefore, we can write our answer in this way, 0.68 grams. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel. God bless you.